In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a DNS record in GoDaddy. If you need to remove an old or incorrect DNS record from your domain settings, this process is pretty straightforward once you know where to go. Just keep in mind that DNS changes can affect how your website, email, or other connected services work, so it's always a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct record before confirming anything. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area. This is usually where account options and product management settings are stored. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select My Products. This page shows the services and domains connected to your account, and it's the main place where you can manage what you own inside GoDaddy. Take a moment to find the domain you want to work with, especially if you have more than one listed in your account. Next, click Domain for the domain you want to manage. This will take you into the domain settings area, where you can make changes related to ownership, forwarding, and DNS configuration. Since we're specifically deleting a DNS record, the next thing you need to do is click DNS. Once you're inside the DNS management page, scroll down to the DNS records section. This area contains all the records currently connected to your domain, such as A records, SNAME records, TXT records, MX records, and others. Each one controls a different part of how your domain behaves, so be careful to select the exact record you intend to remove. Now locate the specific DNS record you want to delete. Double-check the record name, type, and value so you can be confident it's the right one. When you've found it, click on that record. You should then see the option to remove it, usually shown as a delete icon. Click the delete icon to remove the record. If GoDaddy asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it only after you're sure. Once deleted, that DNS record will no longer be active for your domain. After that, your change should be saved in your DNS settings. Keep in mind that DNS updates may not take effect instantly. In some cases, it can take a little time for the change to fully propagate across the internet. And that's it. That's how to delete a DNS record in GoDaddy quickly and safely.